Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Janiya Sunya Bisukha. I know this. I am hearing. Still. Janiya Sunya Bisukha. Just like a thief. Janiya Sunya. These words are very significant. Janiya means knowing and Sunya means hearing. So, a habituated thief, he knows that if I steal, I shall be put into jail. And he has heard from scriptures that don't steal, then he will be put into hell. So, he has heard from the scriptures and he has seen practically, he has experienced practically, but still as soon as he is freed from the prison life, he again commits the same mistake. Janiya Sunya Bisakha. So we know, we are hearing from the scriptures, from authorities, Vedic literature, that I have got this miserable conditional body, material body, to suffer threefold some material miseries. Still, I am not very much anxious how to stop this repetition of birth and death. I am drinking poison. Janiya Sunya Bisukha. Hari Hari Bi Phale Janamanga. These songs are very instructive. Simply, purposefully, we are drinking poison. Wow.
One who is not, therefore, in Krishna consciousness, however powerful he may be in controlling his senses by artificial repression, is sure ultimately to fall. For the slightest thought of sense pleasure will drive him to gratify his desires. 63. From anger, delusion arises, and from delusion, bewilderment of memory. When memory is bewildered, intelligence is lost. And when intelligence is lost, one falls down again into the material pool.
Our position is, we are constituted of this body. Body means the senses. And the controller of the senses are the, what is called driver. Driver of the senses is the mind. And mind is conducted, thinking, feeling and willing, the psychology, the science of psychology. That is being conducted under intelligence. And above the intelligence, I am sitting. I am a spirit soul. So, how we become a victim of this maya, that is described here. That from anger, delusion arises, and from delusion, bewilderment of memory. Bewilderment, memory, I have forgotten completely that I am not this body. I am spirit soul. Aham Brahmasmi. I am part and parcel of the Supreme Brahman, Spirit, absolute whole, that I have forgotten. And when memory is bewildered, and as soon as I forget that I am spirit soul, I identify myself with this material world, illusion. Intelligence is lost. I should have used my intelligence to conduct the activities of the mind, thinking, feeling and willing, and because my mind is not controlled, my senses are not controlled, therefore I am fallen. This is the analysis of the whole bodily construct. Go on.
64. One who can control his senses by regulated principles, and who is free from attachment and aversion, can attain the mercy of God.
Yes. We have fallen down. How we have fallen down? We have fallen down to the platform of sense enjoyment. Therefore you have to begin rising up from the senses, controlling of the senses. That is the way of self-realization. Either you practice yoga or practice bhakti, devotional service. The beginning is to control the senses.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.